SpaceMotionery is pleased to present its new and innovative solar simulator, a tool for low-cost testing of small satellites and avionics systems and for teaching physics and technology. The market offers various solar simulators, all expensive and cumbersome, a problem that limits their use. Our simulator stands as an economic and light alternative, easy to use, but still reliable. This is a typical application of our solar simulator. Some students of ITS Aerospace and Mechatronics are using a prototype to test the solar panel they developed for the satellite they will launch in 2024. In short, the salient features of our solar simulator. It allows to simulate the Sun in conditions of AM0, typical of the space sector, and AM1 and more, typical of terrestrial applications, on surfaces multiple of about 10 by 10 square centimeters, in modular form. The cost starts from €2,000, depending on the configuration. The simulator is safe because it works at low voltage and does not emit dangerous UV radiation. It is light and compact, therefore easy to handle, and it is part of a whole family of products for testing small satellites and for education.
The SpaceMotionery solar simulator can be purchased in different configurations, based on specific needs. For example, it can be purchased without support, e.g. for manual operation, or with a fixed or rotating stand. SpaceMotionery's solar simulator is also modular, so it can be assembled from the smallest 1U configurations up to 2U, 3U, 12U, or even larger. The solar simulator can be connected to up to 6 SpaceMotionery sensors, for electrical, thermal and inertial measurements. The capabilities of the interface can be extended using SpaceMotionery's standalone acquisition module.
All SpaceMotionery tools use the same command interface, graphical or web-based via smartphone or computer, or interfaced with tools like MATLAB or Octave for better graphics and more extensive control. All connections are wireless and use the Wi-Fi network, so all equipment can easily be controlled remotely. Our solar simulator finds applications in 4 market sectors. The space sector, interested in developing and testing satellites with the intention of actually launching them. The trainers of future operators in the space sector, typically universities and schools, who teach how to develop satellites, build and test them, but do not actually launch them. The terrestrial applications sector, in the field of energy and physics, e.g. for measurements on solar panels. And finally the great world of makers, used for the most diverse applications, perhaps even difficult to predict. A big advantage of our solar simulator is that it is part of an entire family of products, TT4 CubeSat, created for testing satellites. For example, our simulator can be used together with a solar cell characterizer to trace the electrical characteristics of solar panels, or to illuminate a CubeSat and, using our multisensors, trace thermal or magnetic maps of a small satellite, perhaps inserted in the inside a Helmholtz cage or moved by an attitude emulator, all elements that come from the SpaceMotionery catalog.
Furthermore, as you can see, thanks to its small size, our solar simulator can be used for thermo-vacuum tests even inside small vacuum bells.
Thanks for your attention and see you on www.spacemotionery.it.